Welcome, Pack family. It's your boy Investing for Legacy for short. Man, the market really killed it last week. Reversals all around. Very impressive from all major indexes. After about 3 weeks of going straight down in the market, a lot of fear, a lot of panic. And one of the main things I noticed that XLY being a leading sector in SPY, that people were looking for discounts. XLY has been one of the worst performing sectors all year for sure. Top two, bottom two, and that, with them leading, and also with communications, which the other bottom two in sectors, and also having a strong week. Clearly easy for me to see that they're looking for discounts in this market, and they also they want to take advantage of this fear that they see right now, and they go straight to those discounts, those biggest discounts. So makes sense to me. So I'm loving what I'm seeing in the marketplace. So with that being said, I have my watch list this week will be kind of wide and throughout the sectors. Just so I want to make sure, because I want to make sure that I'm where the real money is, because with everybody ending so strong last week, we know it can't continue everywhere. So I want to make sure, with Alphapack, we like being where the money is at. No question there. So we want to be in the best place, no question. So with that being said, let's keep it going. I want to start with some NASDAQ plays that I am seeing looking very bullish going into this week. I want to start with Meta, Facebook. Meta. A couple tech plays here. Meta, man, what I see here, and I see a lot of the same things. You're going to see a lot of multiple breaks going into, especially on the 2 week. That's one of Alphapack's favorite time frames for sure. We got a new candlestick coming this week in the 2 weeks. So what I'm seeing on Meta, I'm seeing a day, week, 2 day. I'm sorry, day, a 2 day, a week, 1, 2, 2 rev setting up on the 2 week. All those levels being broke at the same time above 169.54. A rev like that could get us out. A reversal like that, especially on that 2 week time frame, I think it could get us out of that devil inside week. We already have full time frame continuity to the upside. I'm liking Meta, and I'm watching Meta with that reversal. Let's keep moving. NVDA. I like NVIDIA a lot. That's next play I want to mention. Semiconductors, all of them are looking good, but I'm gonna stick to NVIDIA. We got a day and a 2-1-2 week break setup coming up above 144.74. I'm liking that a lot. It's a gap above it. The takeout. The quarter thing. The quarter is the only thing that's not green right now for our full time frame continuity. On the day, week, month, quarter, year. The year is also red. Sorry about that. But the quarter will go green before that gap fills. So I am watching NVIDIA. I like NVIDIA. We all know how solid of a company they are and how many people are bullish on them. So next thing I want to mention is one of the pack favorites, XLP, Big Boy, KO, Coca-Cola. We love some Coke in Alphapack. We know how well those premiums play, and that's no secret throughout the pack. It's been feeding us many occasions. But I like that 2 up day break and that 2-1-2 setup on the week. The break at simultaneous break above 62.86. Keep it simple there. KO, if you know, you know. That thing pays. Let's keep it moving. I am watching some real estate as well, guys. Real estate. I see some real estate setting up. I see I want to mention Realty. This is the only play that I'm really watching for a major reversal on. Currently pretty much full time frame continuity except the day to the downside. Huge PMG to the upside to take off. Beautiful. So I'll be looking for it to go, take out those levels, go to the, get that 2 day red, green. I'm sorry, get that week green, get that 2 week green, and just continue to back to the upside. 3-2-2 rev setting up on the week. looking like I like real realty. You know, this is more I guess the biggest gamble since it's not in full-time frame continuity like the rest of my plays that I'm mentioning this week, but definitely something worth watching for sure. You know, you get those biggest paydays, catching those reversals at the bottoms. So let's keep it moving, guys. I got CCI is another real estate play that I am watching. Simultaneous breaks above with the day, the week, a 322 rev setting up all above 175. The 122 rev on the 2 week, all above 175.98. Like CCI a lot. Let's go to healthcare next, guys. Healthcare. I got 2 more sectors that I want to cover after healthcare, and your boy will be done helping you get some chicken. TEVA is the first healthcare play that I want to cover. TEVA. Man, this thing is one of the highest. One of the analysts' biggest. This is one of actually the top 75 growth stocks out there. Now, I was surprised, I read about stocks that that's not on my radar often, and I recently read that about TEVA, and it makes I like it. This thing really pays. You can get well over a couple 100% ROI within a dollar move with TEVA, and that's not even necessarily on a weekly contract. Even the monthlies pay well, and the definitely the 2 weeks. But TEVA is great. I like the 2 up on the day week break for sure. That will happen above 926. 122 rev setting up on the 2 week. That'll happen above 951. I want to see a continuation. I'm sorry. It's notes for my next play. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at on TEVA. Next play, BMY. I called this out. This was on my watch list last week. I want to see a continuation of that 322 reversal that happened on the week. Price action really didn't do what I wanted necessarily last week after breaking that, but I still have a bit of a gap to fill to the upside. Besides that, that's all I want to say about BMY. I can clearly see that thing running to $75. No question what I'm seeing on this chart. So that's some chicken there to be watching for BMY. Next sector that I do want to mention is XLY. I want to mention Amazon. I'm sorry. I got one more healthcare play. FICO, ABBOTT. Before we go to XLY, ABBOTT, ABT. I'll keep this brief. I'm liking a crossover. I'm sorry. I see a day, 2 up day. I see a day, a 2 day, a week, a 322 rev, all setting up at the same level on ABBOTT. That all will happen above 109.07. 07. It's funny how we always say O instead of 0, right? Especially in Chicago. One of our main zip codes is 708, but everybody says 708. It's funny. But anyway, keep it moving. Amazon is the next play that I want to mention. In the next sector, that would be XL. That's an XLY. So I'll be looking for confirmation throughout that sector with Amazon. I haven't played Amazon, especially in a while, especially since it's split. So I want to see how those premiums are moving. Pay attention a little bit to those this week. Amazon. What am I? I'm sorry, just looking for it on my watch list so I can pull it up on the chart as I'm reading to you guys. But I'm looking just for a day, week, 322 rev on the 2 week break, and that all will happen above 133.69. All right, guys, the last index / sector, whatever you want. It's a major index, but that I want to mention is the Russell. If you don't know, the Russell, it was the best performing major index last week. When all the major indexes reverse like that, it's good for you to take note. When all the sectors reverse like that, it's good for you to take note of what's moving the best. And the Russell moved the best last week. I know most people probably thought it was NASDAQ, which is close, but it wasn't. It was the Russell. So I have a couple plays in the Russell that I want to continue to watch going into this week. First play will be Livit Corporation. It's a lithium play. LTHM is a ticker. My big good brother Cam G put us on this a while ago, back when during the pandemic when EVs were really popping. We were just looking for some sympathy plays with lithium, and we discovered this company then. But this thing is close to all-time highs. It has earnings. It has the earnings at the end of the month, and man, it's been crushing the last couple of earnings, like literally above 50% expectations type crushing. So I'm expecting this thing to keep running up until earnings and probably beyond. If it keeps crushing them how it's been doing the last two earning reports, close to full time frame continuity. Looking for that day, 2-day, week, 2-week break. That all will happen above 36, 38. This thing is running strong. Next play I want to mention, and it's also in the Russell, is Crocs. Keep it simple there. Looking for the day, the week, the 2-week break. That all happen above 81.43. Man, guys, that's what all the chicken. That's all the chicken your boy Legacy want to bring to your attention this week for you to be watching. Guys may have, especially in Alphapack. I know some of you guys seen some of this already, but this is even more confirmation for you if that's the case. YouTube fam, hope you guys are not fearful right now in this market. I know it's been scary for a few weeks, some weeks now. It's only been 3, but man, you guys gotta just take what price action is giving you right now. Is giving a nice reversal, so we're back bullish. I know before the Alphapack was focusing on that gap fill down to 378, and a lot of analysts were calling that 380 price target too, and it still may go there, definitely. But as of right now, I'm looking towards the upside. We got 4 time frame, we got reversals in all major indexes, all sectors. So if that keeps going, I'm gonna ride it with them for sure. One thing I do want to notate for you guys, they're gonna keep gapping these plays up. I wouldn't be surprised if all these entries that I mentioned are pretty much gonna be gapped up over the weekend, going into the new week. They're taking advantage of people's fear for sure, and they're gonna keep getting most of their money in the alpha hours when most of retail really can't participate, especially us options trader. But so man, don't be afraid to swing. Is what Alphapack is preaching, what we preach, and what I'm preaching right now. Basically, take advantage of some of those gap ups. You're gonna have to focus as a trader. So when your entries are broken and are gapped above like that, you're gonna have to focus, get down to those hour time frames, get down to those 30 minutes, make sure that price level holds and it doesn't go back below it, those breaks. And as long as it continues to the upside and you see some good combinations to the upside, and if you know what to be looking for, don't be afraid to get in, even though your price, your level was broken. I'm seeing that happen more and more. Your level was gapped above. I'm seeing that happen more and more, especially in this market right now. And we won't be left. So don't let them leave you. And make sure you participate and get some of this chicken that's going on, and some of these meals for you and your family, man. That's all Legacy wants to bring to your attention. Legacy out. Let's eat, Pack fam, YouTube family. Let's go.